In today's video, we're going to show you how to install Iperius Remote for Mac. The first thing to do is download Iperius Remote on your Mac from the official download page. Once Iperius Remote is downloaded, open it. The only configuration required is granting system access permissions. To do this, simply click on Request Access, and then allow the permissions in your Mac settings. Once you've done that, Iperius Remote will need to restart. After allowing screen recording, continue by granting access to accessibility and files and folders as well. Once the permissions have been granted, you are ready to receive and perform remote desktop sessions on the Mac. For more security, go to the General Settings and set a custom password for remote access. Don't forget to save your custom passwords after configuring them. After granting the necessary permissions, you're all set to receive and initiate remote desktop sessions on your Mac.